'07 F-150, the infamous 5.4 Triton engine with the lovely spark plugs that like to break off in the heads. I had the pleasure of doing one of these yesterday and just want to take a quick video and show you the process. Ford designed a two-piece spark plug that's not all one piece, that is very easily broken when you try to loosen these bad boys. This is the part right here that gets stuck into the head that has to be extracted with the special tool. And right here's the special tool. And this is the porcelain pusher. That piece that's stuck in the head, this pushes the porcelain down. So you're able to get the rest of the extractor into that piece. So it smashes it all the way down and pushes it at the very tip of this part. Gives you a little gap, as you can see, and it stops right there. It doesn't go into the cylinder. And then this part right here is the extractor itself. It's gonna, after you remove that pusher, this goes down to the spark plug tube and reverse threads into this thing and bites and gets a hold of that broken off piece in the head. And then you can see the threads on this extractor, the top part with that nut. You tighten that bad boy up, and as you can see, hang on just a second, it pulls it out of the head just like that. And you can pull the whole thing out and you've got it taken care of. And this is the lovely two-piece spark plug, one that didn't break. And they do make one-piece designs that go back in it.